This guy, this is Tad, and he created the Retz easel. I bought one, and let's check it out. And I'll show you how to set it up. Oh no, the time is at hand. It's just the easel. Hot. Ooh, look at these. Look at that. Oh, and here it is, the pallet. It's got his logo. Tad, nice job. That looks super cool. Opens up as such. Ooh, it already comes with the glass in there. That is nice. You can adjust this one for your tripod. I like it. Hardware is really good too. I like this, man. This wood in the middle of the hardware, that looks really good. Tad, you killed it, man. Super impressed. Oh, that is awesome. Got a little thing to pop out the glass if you need to. Held in through magnets. Very clever, man. It comes with and instructions for people like me. Today I am testing out the new Tad Retz easel and mass. So you can see these two pieces that the painting sits on. Here's the mass, and here is the pallet box. Love the branding. Take my tripod. Got the tripod out. Set this up, extend the top. Take the quick release, take the mast. Easily do that. Spin it out, tighten it back up. You see that's a decent sized mast. You should probably already have this done if you're going out painting by yourself. There we go. Set up. Slide these pieces on. I'm gonna be working something a little bit smaller to begin with, so bring them a little bit closer together. Tad advised to have these pieces, the little hook that hooks onto your tripod, as wide as possible. Set it down and then tighten. As you can see, here is the Tad Retz easel. So let's try this bad boy out. Do a 10 by 10 today. I'm going to show you how easy it is to set this thing up. So you set it on the screw ends right here. Bring it down as tight as you would like it. Tighten it up. This thing is secure. It's not going anywhere. Dad, good job on that one. I like it. All right, I'm gonna lay down my paint. So start with my white. I'm in yellow. I like to lay out my palette along the left side and wrap around to the bottom right. Some people will take it across the top. To me, that makes sense. To others, who knows, that might not make any sense at all. So, in my mind, I read left to right, top to bottom. You would start with your lightest up at the top and get down to your darkest at the bottom right. Also, there is a ton of space on this palette, which is awfully nice because any palette I've ever had before was maybe 2/3 of this, if that. That's all right. Every time I squeeze this tube, I think, oh, there goes a couple dollars. Actually, more than a couple.